उन्हें सुधारें, अपग्रेड करें, यही सरकार का काम।
It is the National Science Day today, and at Vigyan Bhavan, a special function is being organized to celebrate the National Science Day. And from here, we take you live there. Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Harshvardhan, is addressing the gathering.
Excellence in women universities, through which research grants are provided to women universities to develop research infrastructure in science and technology. Sir, I am grateful to you for launching today an important scheme called Vigyan Jyoti to attract, encourage, and retain young women in the underrepresented areas such as engineering and mathematics in the top institutions of the country. Sir, my three ministries have made some outstanding progress in recent years. I am happy to share that as per a recent National Science Foundation USA report, India has already climbed to the third spot in the number of science and engineering publications. Sir, it is a matter of pride for all that one of our institutes, Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research in Bangalore, is judged 7th in the quality of research by the Nature Index. Our goal is now to build on such deep foundations of our science for a rapid, inclusive and sustainable socio-economic growth to aid in our beloved Prime Minister's vision of $5 trillion economy by 24-25. To do this, we have worked on several schemes for enhancing the quality of research, empowering of young and women, technology development, creation of an end-to-end startup ecosystem, bringing the best of global science to India, linking of academia, research, labs, industry, society, sharing of scientific resources, and science communication. The Department of Science and Technology launched a number of new schemes to empower young researchers. These include National Postdoctoral Fellowship, Early Career Research Award, Overseas Doctoral and Postdoctoral Fellowships, Teacher Associates for Research Excellence, etc. These schemes have almost doubled the opportunities for young and aspiring researchers to carry out R&D in their chosen areas of science and engineering. A scheme called Afsar, Augmenting Writing Skills through Articulating Research, is encouraging young scientists to write popular science articles based on their research pursuits. To boost innovation, a national program called NIDHI, National Initiative for Developing and Harnessing Innovations, has created more incubators, startups, and opportunities in the last 5 years than in the last 50 years. To encourage young students to think innovatively, a new program, Manak, Million Minds, Augmenting National Aspirations and Knowledge, has been launched in 2018 to target 10 lakh students every year from class 6th to 10th, which is to be scaled up in numbers and also to include classes 11th and 12th later.
That was Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare and also Science and Technology and Earth Sciences, Dr. Harshvardhan, speaking at Vigyan Bhavan, where a function is being organized to mark the National Science Day celebrations 2020. We'll keep you updated with the function. The President is also attending the function and will address the gathering. We'll again get you